In this video, we are going to see the multilingual grouped font. Sometimes, we will have to support more than one language simultaneously. For instance, let us assume we want to display the word hello in Japanese, Hindi and Tamil. This can be achieved through the concept of grouped font. To add Tamil character in custom text file, expand resources folder and then font. Create a new text file with relevant file name under custom KS folder, Tamil KS in this case. Now, add the Tamil characters Vanakkam, separated by spaces in the text file and save. Then, create a new font file under the resources folder. Select the suitable font to support the Tamil characters. Here we have chosen Akshara Unicode. Now select Unicode file in the character set and then map the text file in the custom KS. Repeat the same process for Hindi language. We already have Japanese language available. Now create a grouped font file and add the created multi-language font files in it. Let us create font group TFF file and select font group. Then click Add or Edit button. The language selection pop-up will be opened. Select Japanese, Hindi and Tamil. Then, click OK and save. With this, just by using the grouped font group TFF, it is possible to display in any of the three languages in one of the following two methods: dynamic input and static translation. In many cases, the text to be displayed will be dynamically received in the system via external connectivity, such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, CAN, and so on. In this case, it is not possible to go for the EFR approach. Rather, create a data variable with UE string type and map it to the label along with selecting the font as the grouped font. As you can see, giving different Unicode inputs, we can see the output in those languages. Flint also supports CFR file format that serves as the translation file for storing pre-translated texts in multiple languages. Let us see how to create a table of texts with their translation and use them. Double-click on EFR file under Resources. Now click on Add or Edit Language option. Next, select the desired languages from the language selection dialog: Japanese, Hindi, and Tamil. Customize the language ID and add the text for these languages, and save. To use the same, drag and drop a labels widget and map the group font to it. Then open data file, create data variable to represent the current language to be displayed. Let us create one with name active language. Next, create a data bridge for the display text. Select conversion as translation. Select the translation it from the dialog, and add the data variable. Now open the screen editor, map the data bridge to the label. Then go to Flint EFP, click Supported Language tab. Add and select the required languages that are to be exported. To see the translation on simulation window, select the data ID active language and enter the value. In this example, 0, 1, and 2 represents Japanese, Hindi and Tamil respectively. On giving the values as 1, the Namaste is displayed. For 2 it shows Vanakkam, and for 0 it shows Konnichiwa. In the next video, we will see how to display the diacritic characters. Thank you.